Drijvende rietmatten. Het idee is ontstaan binnen het project Natuurlijke Markenmeer-IJmeer. Een aantal jaren geleden zijn de eerste pilots uitgevoerd bij de Houtripsluizen. Het riet ontwikkelde zich fantastisch, maar na een aantal maanden zonken de drijvende rietmatten. Vanuit het Corporate Innovatieprogramma zijn Rijkswaterstaat en Deltares bezig met versie 2.0. En wij beogen een bijdrage te leveren aan waterveiligheid, golfdemping en een bijdrage te leveren aan Natura 2000 doelsoorten, namelijk de rietvogels.
Many lakes in densely populated areas have encountered changes in their natural balance. Often shores are steep and natural shore systems are absent. This makes shores vulnerable to wave loading and they have little or no contribution to the natural value of the lake system. We have designed floating mattresses of willow branches, which we have strengthened and increased in buoyancy. To absorb the wave energy more efficiently, 2 rollers, also constructed of willow branches, are added to the mattresses. The rollers are anchored to the bottom of the lake to optimize the wave damping behavior. On top of the floating mattresses, reed will be growing, creating a marsh habitat. The mattresses aim to provide habitat for birds and insects on the top side, while under the mattresses, hiding and foraging spots for fish are formed. We have tested these mattresses and rollers in the Deltares delta flume to quantify the wave damping behavior. The delta flume is one of the world's largest wave flumes. It generates waves in desired patterns and heights. With the help of height meters in front and behind the mattresses, we can calculate wave damping properties of the mattresses for different kinds of waves.
So now we have investigated the use of these floating mattresses for nature, for water quality. We've calculated the wave attenuation with models and we have tested the wave attenuation in a delta flume. So now it's time to move on to a pilot phase. If you would install these mattresses in a lake like this here in the Netherlands, we can further monitor and test 3 major functionings. The first one would be that it would relieve the wave stress on the dikes. It will protect the sandy or soft shores by wave dampening. And the second would be that it would facilitate the quiet zone between the mattresses and the shores in order to regrow the aquatic vegetation, and by this we can reinstall the ecological functioning of these shores. And the third one would be that reed will be growing on these mattresses, and in this way we have habitat for all kinds of bird species, but also for fish species that can hide or forage under the mattresses.